Hello students, welcome to Excellence Classes Way of Learning. Today we discuss the exercise 3.4 question number 11 to 18. Let's see question number 11. Here the given matrix is A equals to 2 minus 6 1 minus 2 and we have to find its inverse using elementary operations. So for applying elementary row operation we have to get A equals IA. Put the value of A and I is the identity matrix, as you know that 1 0 0 1 A. Now we have to convert it A into identity matrix. So first change R2 is changes to 2R2 minus R1. Then we get R1 is same, that is 2 minus 6, and R2 becomes 0 and it is 2 is equals to, this becomes R1 is same 1 0 and R2 becomes minus 1 and here 2 A. Now R1 is such that R1 plus 3 R2 to change minus 6 into 0. So here we have 2 0 and it is 0 2 is equals to minus 1 2, row 2 is same and row 1 becomes here minus 2 and here it is 0, 3 to the 6, so it is 6 A. Now here 2 2 and we have to change it 1 1. So R1 is such that 1 by 2 R1 and R2 is such that 1 by 2 R2. Then we get this change into identity matrix, that is 1 0 0 1 and it becomes minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1 and it is 6 by 2. Here minus 1 by 2 and it is 2 by 2, that is 1 A. Now here these are cancelled. So required inverse of the given matrix is in the form of minus 1 3 minus 1 by 2 1. So we can written as A inverse is equals to minus 1 3 minus 1 by 2 1. Clear? Let's see the next question. Question number 12. Here A equals to 6 minus 2 minus 3 1. Characteristic equation for elementary row operation is A equals IA. Put the value of A, that is 6 minus 2 minus 3 1. I is the identity matrix of order 2, that is 1 0 0 1 A. Now let first change is R1 is interchanged with R2. Then we get minus 2 1 6 minus 3. R1 replaces with R2 and here 0 1 1 0 A. And next change is R2 is such that R2 plus 3 R1. So 6 becomes 0. Then we get it is row 1 same minus 2 1 and row 2 becomes 0 and here is also minus 3 plus 3 0 is equals to row 1 is here same, that is 0 1 and row 2 becomes 1 and here 0 plus 3, that is 3 A. See clearly here each element of second row in LHS is 0. Each element of second row is 0. So here inverse doesn't exist because it is not possible to convert it into identity matrix. So we can written as A inverse doesn't exist in this case. If we have column elements or row elements 0, then inverse doesn't exist. Clear? So let's see the next question. Question number 13. Here A equals to 2 minus 3 minus 1 and 2. Simple. For applying elementary row operation, we have A equal IA. Put the value of A, that is 2 minus 1 minus 3 and 2. I is the identity matrix, that is 1 0 0 1 A. So here R2 is changes to 2R2 plus R1. Clear? R1 is same, 2 minus 3 and R2 becomes 0 and here 1. Same changes for here, that is 1 0 and R2 becomes 1 2 A. Okay. Let's change the R1. Now R1 is such that R1 plus 3R2. R2 is same 0 1 and change the R1, then we get 2 here 0 is equals to, here R2 is same and R1 becomes 4 and 6 A. Now clearly here we have 2 and 1. So simply R1 is such that 1 by 2 R1. Then we get the identity matrix 1 0 0 1 is equals to, here it is 4 by 2, 6 by 2, 1 and 2 A. So A inverse is 4 by 2, that is 2, 6 by 2, that is 3 and here 1 2 is the required inverse of given matrix. Let's see the next question, question number 14. Here A equals to 2 1 4 2. For elementary row operation, we have A equals IA. Put the value of A, that is 2 4 1 2 is equals to 1 0 0 1 A. Let's change the R2. Then R2 is such that R2 minus 2 R1. Then we get R1 is same 2 1 and R2 becomes 0 0. So it is very simple. Now here also R1 is same and R2 becomes minus 2 1. Clearly we can see the each element of second row is 0. So in this condition inverse doesn't exist. Clear? Here each element of second row in LHS is 0. So A inverse doesn't exist because we cannot change it into identity matrix. Okay. Now let's see question number 15. Here A equals 2 2 3 minus 3 2 minus 2 and 3 3 2. Here it is into 3 into 3 order. So see clearly. Here we have A equals IA. Put the value of A, that is 2 2 3 minus 3 2 minus 2 3 3 2 and I is the identity matrix of order 3. 3 into 3 order के elementary operation को ध्यान से देखिए. It is very important for your exams. Okay. Now here see the main diagonal is 2 2 2. So first we have to convert lower elements in 0 and after that upper. Okay. So first change the R2. R2 is such that R2 minus R1. यहाँ एक पॉइंट को क्लियर रखिए, आपको जिस एलिमेंट को भी 0 करना है उसे उसी कॉलम के डायगोनल एलिमेंट से चेंजेस लगाइए. ओके. सो हियर R2 becomes 2 minus 2, that is 0. Okay. Here 2 plus 3 5 and here 0. Clear? समझ आया? Same here, R1 and R3 same and R2 becomes minus 1 1 0. Now 3 और इसका डायगोनल एलिमेंट क्या होगा जो इसी कॉलम में है, that is 2. So R3 is changes to 2R3 minus 3R1. So R1 and R2 is same and change the R3, then we get 6 minus 6, 0. And here 5, and this becomes 4 minus 9, that is minus 5, is equals to, same here, R1, R2 same, and R3 becomes minus 3, here 0 and 2, A. Now we have to change it 5 into 0, so इसका diagonal element क्या है 5, then R3 is changes to R3 minus R2. R1, R2 are same, 0, 5, 0, and R3 becomes 0, 0, and here minus 5. Same for here, R1 and R2 are same, and change the R2 according to R3 minus R2, then we have minus 2, minus 1, and here 2. Now we have to change these elements into 0 above the main diagonal. So now change minus 3 into 0, then we get R1 is such that 5R1 plus 3R2, because minus 3 का diagonal element उसके कॉलम में क्या है 5, जो R2 में है. Okay, then R1 becomes 10, 0, 15, and R2, R3 are same. इस ट्रिक से आप मिनिमम स्टेप्स में इनवर्स फाइंड कर सकते हैं. ओके, सी हियर R2, R3 सेम, and R1 becomes 2, here 3, and here 0, A. Now we have to convert this 15 into 0. So R1 is such that R1 plus 3R3, because R3 में element क्या है minus 5. So R1 becomes 10, 0, and here 15 minus 15, 0, and R2 and R3 are same, is equals to, here R2 and R3 are same, R3 is minus 2, minus 1, and 2, and R1 becomes here minus 4, it's 0, and here 6, A. Now here main diagonal elements are 10, 5, and minus 5. So clearly R1 is such that 1 by 10 R1 to get 1, and R2 is such that 1 by 5 R2, and R3 is such that minus 1 by 5 R3. Then we get in LHS part the identity element of 3 into 3 order, and in RHS we have minus 4 by 10, here 0, it's 6 by 10, and R2 is minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, and 0, and R3 is 2 by 5, 1 by 5, and minus 2 by 5. So the required inverse is minus 4 by 10, that is minus 2 by 5, here 0, it's 3 by 5, R2 is minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0, and R3 is 2 by 5, 1 by 5, and minus 2 by 5. Clear? सिंपली ध्यान रखिए मेन डायगोनल के लोअर एलिमेंट्स को पहले 0 करना है, एंड आफ्टर दैट अबव एलिमेंट्स को. चेंजेस आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप रो ऑपरेशन के थ्रू लगाना है, आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स कन्वर्ट करना है, एंड वी गेट द रिक्वायर्ड इनवर्स. सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. हियर a इक्वल्स टू 1, minus 3, 2, 3, 0, 5, minus 2, minus 5, 0. Characteristic equation is a equals IA. Put the value of a 1, minus 3, 2, 3, 0, 5, minus 2, minus 5, 0. And I is the identity matrix of 3 into 3 order, that is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. A. So here main diagonal is 1 0 0. Let's change first minus 3 into 0. So R2 is such that R2 plus 3R1. Then we get R1 is same 1 3 minus 2. R3 is same 2 5 0. And R2 becomes minus 3 plus 3, that is 0. Here 9 and it's minus 11 is equals to, same for here, R1 same, R3 same, and R2 becomes, here it is 3 1 0. Now change the 2 into 0. So R3 is changes to R3 minus 2R1. R1 is same, R2 is same, and R3 becomes 0 minus 1 4. Same in RHS. R1 same, R2 same, and R3 becomes minus 2 according to R3 minus 2 R1, and 0, and last element is 1. Now minus 1 को 0 चेंज करना है, then R3 is such that 9R3 plus R2, because इसका diagonal element जो है वो है 9. So here R1 is same, R2 is same, and R3 becomes 0 0, and here 9R3 plus R2, that is 25, is equals to R1 same 1 0 0, R2 is 3 1 0, and R3 becomes, it is minus 15, here 1, and it is 9. Now 3 को 0 करना है, so R1 is such that 3R1 minus R2. So let's note the R2 because it is same, and R3 is also same, and R1 becomes, according to 3R1 minus R2, that is 3 0, and here 5 is equals to, here R2 and R3 are same, and R1 becomes 0 minus 1 0. A. Now change this 5. So R1 is such that 5R1 minus R3. R2 same, R3 is also same 0 0 25, and R1 becomes 5R1, so it is 15. Here 0, and here also 0, 25 minus 25. Same here, R2 and R3 are same, and R1 becomes, according to 5R1 minus R3, it's 15 minus 6, and here minus 9. A. Now here we have 25. So simple कर लेते हैं इसे. R3 is such that 1 by 5 R3. After this changes लगाना easy होगा. So here R1 is same 15 0 0. R2 is same, that is 0 9 minus 11, and R3 becomes 0 0 5 is equals to, here 15 minus 6 9, that is minus 9, and 3 1 0, and here minus 15, that is minus 15 by 5, so we get minus 3. Here 1 by 5, and here 9 by 5. because 1 by 5 R3 A. Now let's change the minus 11 into 0. So R2 is changes to 5 R2 plus 11 R3. Then we get R1 is same, that is 15 0 0, and R3 is same 0 0 5, and R2 becomes 0 45 and here 0 is equals to, same here, R1 and R3 are same. We have to change only R2 according to 5 R2 plus 11 R3. So first element is here minus 18, and this becomes according to 5 R2 plus 11 R3, it is 36 upon 5, and here we get 99 upon 5. Now main diagonal को 1 1 1 में change करना है, so clearly we have R1 is such that 1 by 15, R1 is such that 1 by 15 R1, R2 is such that 1 by 45 R2, and R3 is such that 1 by 5 R3. On applying this change, we have this convert into identity matrix of order 3, that is 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1 is equals to, here we get R1 is 15 by 15 minus 6 by 15 minus 9 by 15, and second row becomes minus 18 upon 45, 36 upon 45, 36 upon 5 into 45, and 99 upon 5 into 45. And last third row becomes minus 3 upon 5, 1 upon 25 and 9 upon 25. So the inverse of the required matrix is, on simplifying it, we get 1 here minus 2 by 5 minus 3 by 5, and in second row we have minus 2 by 5, 4 by 25, 11 by 25, and last row is minus 3 by 5, 1 by 25 and 9 by 25. Clear? Let's see the next question. 17th question. Here A equals to 2 5 0 0 1 1 minus 1 0 3. For elementary row operation, characteristic equation is A equals IA. Put the value of A, that is 2 5 0 0 1 1 minus 1 0 3 is equals to identity matrix, as all of you know that 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 A. So let's change the R2 first, that is R2 is such that 2 R2 minus 5 R1, because 5 को 2 से 0 करना है. So R1 and R3 are same and R2 becomes 0, here 2 and 5 is equals to, here same, R1 and R3 are same and R2 becomes minus 5 2 0. Now change this one. So R3 is changes to 2 R3 minus R2. Then we get R1 is same, that is 2 0 minus 1. R2 is also same, that is 0 2 5. and R3 becomes 0, 0 and here 1 is equals to R1 and R2 are same and R3 becomes 5 minus 2, 2. A. Now change this minus 1 into 0. So we get R1 is changes to R1 plus R3. Then we get here 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 5 and R3 is same 0, 0, 1 is equals to, here also R2 and R3 are same. We have to change only R1 according to R1 plus R3. Then we get 6 minus 2 and here 2. Now change this 5 into 0. So R2 is changes to R2 minus 5 R3. Then we get here 2, 0, 0. R3 is also same 0, 0, 1 and R2 becomes 0, 2, 0 is equals to R1 is same 6 minus 2, 2. R3 is same 5 minus 2, 2 and R2 becomes according to R1 minus 5 R3 here minus 30, it's 12 and it's minus 10. A. So clearly we have here diagonal is 2 to 1. So R1 is such that 1 by 2 R1 and R2 is such that 1 by 2 R2. Then we get identity matrix of order 3 and RHS becomes, it is 6 by 2 that is 3, here minus 1 it is 1 and R2 becomes minus 15 divided by 2 it is 6 and it's minus 5 and R3 is 5 minus 2, 2. So clearly the required inverse of the given matrix is 3 minus 15, 5 minus 1, 6 minus 2, 1 minus 5, 2. Okay, clear? Let's see the last question of this exercise, question number 18. Here we have matrices A and B will be inverse of each other only if. So we have A inverse equal B, B inverse equal A. Clearly we know that AB is equals to BA is equals to I for satisfying this condition. So option D is the correct answer. Okay, clear? In last, here some question for practicing the elementary row transformation to finding the inverse of given matrices. Okay, because it is very important for your board examination. 6 marks का question आपको यहाँ से मिलेगा. So practice करिए अच्छे से. In next class, we'll discuss the last exercise of this chapter, that is miscellaneous exercise. Till then, keep practicing elementary row transformation to finding the inverse of the given matrix, especially 3 into 3 order. Okay, clear?